What if your daily luxury sedan could feel just as exciting as a high-end sports car while surrounding you with first-class comfort? That's exactly what the all-new 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is aiming to deliver. Mercedes-Benz has taken everything drivers loved about the previous generation and refined it with sharper styling, smarter technology, and an even more premium driving experience. Whether you're commuting through the city or taking a long highway trip, this luxury sedan promises to make every mile feel special. At first glance, the 2027 E-Class demands attention with its sleek, elegant silhouette and a more confident front-end design. The signature grille appears wider and more refined, while the updated LED headlights give the sedan a modern and sophisticated expression. Smooth body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating a timeless look that balances sportiness with executive class elegance. New wheel designs and premium paint options further enhance its upscale appearance, making it look just as impressive parked outside a luxury hotel as it does cruising through downtown streets. Step inside, and the cabin immediately reminds you why Mercedes-Benz remains one of the leaders in automotive luxury. High-quality leather upholstery, genuine wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels both relaxing and futuristic. The latest digital dashboard stretches beautifully across the front of the cabin, giving the driver easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The upgraded infotainment system responds faster than ever, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while integrating advanced voice controls that understand natural conversation. Every seat is designed for long-distance comfort, offering generous space for passengers in both rows, while improved sound insulation makes the cabin incredibly quiet even at highway speeds. Technology plays a huge role in the new E-Class experience. Drivers can expect an impressive collection of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and enhanced parking assistance. The latest driver assistance systems work together to reduce stress during everyday driving while helping improve confidence on longer journeys. A premium surround sound system, multiple USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates ensure the car stays modern for years to come. Under the hood, the 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is expected to offer a range of efficient yet powerful powertrains, including turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines paired with mild hybrid technology. The result is quicker acceleration, smoother power delivery, and improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Mercedes' refined suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, delivering a ride that feels smooth and composed while maintaining precise steering through corners. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or open highways, the E-Class delivers confidence, stability, and effortless refinement. Pricing is expected to remain competitive within the premium mid-size luxury sedan segment, with the base model likely starting around the mid-60,000 range, while higher trims equipped with additional luxury features and performance upgrades could climb significantly higher. Considering its advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, outstanding comfort, and legendary Mercedes-Benz reputation, the 2027 E-Class continues to offer exceptional value for buyers seeking everyday luxury. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz E-Class proves that true luxury isn't just about expensive materials or powerful engines. It's about creating an experience that makes every drive memorable. If this is the future of executive sedans, Mercedes-Benz has once again raised the standard. Let us know in the comments if the new E-Class would be your dream luxury sedan. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reviews and updates.
Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house